Hello, my name's Alex. I'm part of the sales team here at Max Trucks. Today I'm going to show you around our new shape Volvo Beavertail. So I'll just give you a quick walk around. This is the latest shape cab with all the latest GSR equipment on. This will come equipped with DVS systems for London also for the latest requirements in October. I'll show you more around the body. This is our standard plant spec body. This is all built in-house, painted in-house, electrical work also all done in-house. So just start from the front. So we've got a body access ladder, grab handles on both sides. We've got our Max heavy duty steel headboard. You've got 4 chain hooks on there. It will also come equipped with a winch underneath. Lashing ring wise, you'll probably get the gist, we do fit an awful lot. So for example on this one we've got 11 H bars in the side raves on each side. You've got 7 D rings on each side, and you've also got D rings fitted inside the body as well as some smaller lashing rings on the inside. Plenty of storage on this vehicle, so you've got a nice twin stainless toolbox with a tray on top. You also have the same on the other side. Plenty of storage in there, all sealed, water protection. As standard with Max, you get these alley checker mud wings. These last the life of the vehicle. We have part exchanges 10-15 years old. They come in with the original wings that they're left with. All rear steering axles on the trucks we supply nowadays. Double kink Beavertail. Obviously, as you can see, very good access. Ramp controls all enclosed out the way, so it's away from the public. Our landing legs, as you'll probably see here, unlike the competition, they're a vertically mounted ramp, so if you're working on uneven ground quite a lot, you're not going to have a problem with getting them legs down. And you can see by that, a very good loading angle. And the hardwood flooring that we fit is 28mm thick Kerwin planks.